It's the first time we use our robotic system LIFTBOT in such conditions. It's minus 20 degrees of Celsius outside. I'm Artem Kuchukov, the CEO of KEWAZO. We are here with the company Telinekataja in northern Finland, in Oulu, on renovation of the Oulu City Hall. Telinekataja is one of the leading scaffolding assembly companies in Finland. We use batteries instead of cables. Many people ask us whether batteries work in such temperatures. The battery of LIFTBOT is enough for one working day. With this project, we proved that LIFTBOT can be used even in such harsh conditions. This opens up the opportunity for using LIFTBOT in most of the northern countries where today scaffolding is built completely manually. One of the main advantages of LIFTBOT is the setup flexibility. The system can be installed and reinstalled just in a few minutes, so that even large scaffolds can be built with a three-man team.